What's up guys, welcome back to the channel.
What day is it today? I don't even know what day it is.
So yesterday was Formula Drift. You guys are gonna see this video a week after that. Today we're gonna be installing a quick release on the 240 finally. I wasn't planning on getting a quick release, but at Formula Drift I bought a steering wheel from Adam LZMG's booth and I got him to sign it. So today I'm gonna just go and buy the rest. I need to buy the short hub and the quick release to actually install it. I'm probably gonna try and install it today. Right now I'm gonna go pick up Martin, and me and Martin are gonna go over to this JDM parts store. It's in Pico Rivera, I think. So we're gonna go pick up some parts, and then hopefully later me and Edgar will install it on the car. It should be easy. Everything on this car never goes as planned. So let me show you guys the wheel before I leave. Here's the wheel. It looks like a Little Caesars pizza box. So I got the leather, the perforated leather option. There was this one and an Alcantara one, but I just wanted a nice little simple wheel. Adam LZMG is a big inspiration of mine, so he's like one of the main reasons I got a S13 hatch in the first place. So it has a little gradient to match his S15 at the top. Nice little orange stitching across his logo and his signature right here. Let's go pick up the kid with the puffy hair. The 240 is parked right in front of my house, so I'm not trying to move it because people on the street are ruthless, bro. As soon as you move your car, someone else takes your parking spot right away, so. Okay, I can't get copyrighted. All right, I'm gonna go pick up Martin in a bit. Bro, these are the worst cars to ever exist. That Model Q60, I think it's the first Model Q60. That shit is the ugliest car ever, bro. It's literally a G37. I feel sorry for whoever bought those right before they changed to the new body. There's a kid with the puffy hair. So, man. We went to the shop. That shit was way smaller than I thought. That shit was like a little tiny ass room. It was cool. They have like a bunch of parts. I'm probably gonna get my suspension from there for in like a week or two. But we got the part. They didn't have the short hub. They only had the quick release. Right now we're gonna go to Lakewood Mall. I can't believe we're going to Lakewood Mall to buy a fucking short hub. But supposedly there's a store in there that has short hubs and quick releases and shit. So hopefully they have a short hub. That's all I need. And then I should be able to get the wheel onto the car by the end of tonight.
Yes, sir. Why didn't you get the carbon fiber one?
I didn't want carbon fiber. If it's not real carbon fiber, I'm not gonna put that shit in my car. We just pulled up to Lakewood Mall and damn, my lens dirty as shit.
You put your finger on it, huh? Nasty ass.
We just put up to Lakewood Mall and I don't even know what the shop's called, LA Road Raids or something like that. And I picked up the short hub. They actually had the 4.0 quick release I wanted too, and I would have bought it, but they didn't have it in all black. They had it with like the carbon fiber paddles, and that should look kind of like tacky to me. So, but now we got the quick release in there, the 2.0, and then we got the motherfucking short hub. It should take like an hour to put it on. It should take like 20 minutes to put it on, to be honest. But all you need is an impact drill. My fucking car never wants to cooperate, so we'll see how long it takes. Alright, I'm back home. I dropped Martin off. Edgar's not here, but he let me borrow his impact before he left. So I have everything I need to install the quick release right now. So I'm gonna show you guys how to install the whole assembly, the short hub, the quick release, and the wheel. It should only take like an hour. Honestly, it should only take like 20 minutes, but you guys know that I have the worst luck with this car, so I don't know. Fingers crossed everything goes smoothly, but this is all you guys need. You need your wheel, of course, you need your quick release, and you need your short hub or long hub. I don't want the wheel to be like super close to my chest, so I got a short hub. You need an impact. You don't need an impact, you can use a regular ratchet, but an impact makes it so much easier. You need your sockets for your impact. And then I just brought an interior kit because it has some picks in there, and I just brought this big screwdriver to try and take out the airbag. Let me open these up and show you guys what's inside. quick release I got the NRG 2.0. This is the only quick release that NRG makes that dings, I think, because they have 4 versions. There's the 1.0, 2.0, 2.5, 3.0, and the 4.0, I think, so 5 versions. And to my knowledge, this is the only one that dings. I didn't get it because of that. This is the only one I could get. I wanted the one with the paddles, which is the 4.0, the newest one, but the shop that I went to didn't have it. Got this from JDM Boy, California, something like that. It'll be down in the description or on the screen right now. Really cool shop and really good prices, so I really recommend getting your parts from them. And then I got this part from LA Road Shop in Lakewood Mall. I don't even know Lakewood Mall had a place to get like aftermarket NRG, but apparently there is. So this is literally just the short hub, and I paid $130 for this one, $140 after tax. This shop told me that I could have gotten this part for $100, but I would have had to wait till Tuesday to pick it up, and I don't want to wait. So their prices are better, definitely. So if you can wait, go to them. I wanted to install everything today, so I just paid the little extra to get this today. So this is the short hub, that's the quick release, and let me show you guys the wheel. I picked this wheel up last second from Adam LZMG's booth, and I got him to sign it. Boom. So yeah, it's a nice little wheel. Has a little grading at the top that matches his S13. His logo, his signature right there. Nice perforated leather. Wheel, quick release, short hub, impact, and a 19mm socket for a 240. That's all you need. Now that I showed you guys everything that you need to put it into the car, let's go ahead and actually install it. Hopefully it's easy. It should be easy. I can't think of anything that should go wrong with it, but you guys know I have the worst luck ever, so yeah, let's put these parts on the car. The first step we gotta do is we gotta take this horn thingy off. So I don't know how to take this shit off. I'm gonna just try and fuck with it for a little bit. Hopefully it doesn't beep the horn like 50 times. But we gotta take this little centerpiece plastic off, and there's a 19mm in there. You just unscrew that, and then this whole wheel comes off, and then you just put the short hub, and then the quick release, and then the wheel, and then yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. But let me try and figure out how to get this out, and then once I figure it out, I'll come back and I'll tell you guys how I took it out. Alright, so that literally took like, as soon as I turned off the camera, all I did was pull on the top pieces right here with both my hands, and I just pulled and the whole thing came off. So it's just these 4 clips that you see right here. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and maybe this bottom one, so 5 clips, and that's all that holds in the horn. And then just make sure to disconnect those clips right here for the actual horn. These are for like the cruise control buttons and stuff, so I don't need that, but this is for the horn, so I need to disconnect this. Gotta make sure that the wheel's straight. All right, so the wheel's pretty straight right there. Loosen it just a little bit so that then you could take out your wheel. Once the wheel's loose, that's when you want to fully take out the nut. So let's get started on that. Oh shit, I took it out completely. I took out the nut completely, but I just threaded it back a little bit, so now I could just pull this off. Because most of the time these old ass cars, the wheels are pretty stuck, so just leave the bolt on a little bit so that you can like really pull on this, and then it won't smack you in the face when you take it off. Now it's ready for the short hub. Basically, this bronze side, see these little gear teeth in here? They line up with this shaft right here. Make sure the NRG logo is on top, facing up. So it's basically gonna go in like exactly how it is right now. It's gonna go in like that. Now all that's left to attach the short hub is to put back the 19mm that you took off. All you gotta do is just hand tighten it. Now that it's hand tightened, I'm gonna just hit it with the impact a couple times, make sure that it's really tight. You do not want this shit coming loose while you're driving, of course. So just tighten the fuck out of this, and then this should be good. And then after that, all you gotta do is attach your quick release and then attach your wheel to the quick release. So if you don't have access to an impact, that's fine. This shit just makes it go by so much easier. But if you don't have access to an impact, just tighten the fuck out of that. I tighten the fuck out of it. This just on there is not gonna come off. This is the quick release, and this is the male part. So this is the part that attaches to your wheel. This is where your wheel's gonna sit. This is the part that the quick release snaps onto. You're gonna attach this to this. So just make sure the NRG logo's on top, of course, and you're just gonna bolt it in like this. This kit actually comes with the Allen key and all the bolts you need. So you're gonna use these bolts to attach the male side of the quick release onto your short hub. Before you attach this, make sure you wire everything. There we go. This is all done. This is all nice and attached. I know the hardware on quick releases, they tend to get loose over time, so you always got to check up on these every now and then. All that's left is to attach your wheel and your horn button to this side of the quick release, and that's it. Don't line up your wheel with this NRG logo facing up, because this little black semi-gloss ring, it spins. So line up your wheel with this metal button right here, because this ring can spin, so you can move this ring after, but line up your wheel to this button. The wheel's all bolted up to the quick release. All that's left is to put the horn. Now it's time for the biggest test, see if the wheel dings. Yo, damn. Looks so much better. Let me get this horn in real quick. And boom, that's literally how you install a quick release. It took me 20 minutes. Thankfully, everything went right. I mean, I don't know how this could have gone wrong, but everything on this car goes wrong, so I wasn't expecting it to go as smooth as possible, but yeah, it's in there. I'm gonna clean up everything right now, and then I'm gonna go take it out for a drive and let you guys know how it feels. The quick release is in, it's all set up. The horn doesn't work right now. I don't know how the fuck you wire it. But yeah, it doesn't work. I'll figure that out in the next few days. But right now, I'm gonna just take it around the block, see how the wheel feels and shit. My phone's about to die, bro. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to record much, but I'm gonna just take it around the block real quick and see how it feels. Feels good though, so far. With power steering. Damn, this car rattles like a bitch. Next thing I need to fix is the fucking motor, so I could be able to drive this shit anywhere. This car takes forever to warm up too. I'm gonna need some turn signal extensions. I could barely reach it. All right, let's head out. This wheel feels so much better than the stock wheel, bro. I need an alignment now though. I mean, I always need an alignment, but damn, you can't see shit because of the sun, bro. But yeah, the wheel feels really good. Oh, there's a cop up there. The wheel feels phenomenal. It feels so much better than the stock wheel. The stock wheel was already really brittle at the top and shit, and it just felt really bad in my hands, but this wheel feels a lot better. It was a short video, but I hope you guys liked it. If you guys stayed this far into the video, comment LZ, and that's how I know you guys watched this whole video. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. See you guys next time. Thank you guys for watching. Later. Actually, never mind, that wasn't the end of the video. I lied. Joke. You guys got pranked. I'm actually about to go to Bowling Crab with the homies. I think Mota, Saul, Martin, and Esteban are gonna be there. Right now I'm driving to Mota's house because after Bowling Crab they're gonna go to Mota's house and kick it, but it's probably gonna be a little late and I work early as fuck in the morning, so I'm driving to Mota's house right now so Saul could pick us up from there. But yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys along and see what we do.
And so you guys want to go buy a bottle?
So man.
No, I had that shit for like a while already.
Why'd you guys take forever?
We're kissing. Why is there two Sauls in the car?
It's fucking full. I was thinking second option, Alondra hot wings.
Fuck no. What did you say? You said that's beef?
He said that's funny. That's funny.
You smash me for it? Like, oh, I need a thumbnail. Put me next to Martin's puffy hair.
I'm already recording now.
Little micrófono.
Oh, here, you shuffle. You pick
I was
one.
about to say, I like that Vader car, so let me get that Vader one. Who had a design on their car? Because they messed up by getting it.
Here, let me see that.
Man, fuck this shit, bro. You know what? I'm just leaving.
Saul got picked, you idiot. This free food finna smack. I should have GTR. I'm gonna turn this bitch into a slider. What? Yeah. What you think about your pool, Martin? Whole lot of red. Whole lot of red.
That's a tight ass camera.
Alright, I'll see you guys next time.
Look, zoom in on this shit.
Emma, end the vlog for me.
Look at this shit, bro.
Later, guys. See you guys next time.